Hey, good evening. It's Katri with Heart for Baking, and I am with my trusty sous chef, Maxwell. We are about to bake beer bread. Super easy recipe. And then the other thing that we're gonna have with it is some chicken noodle soup, homemade chicken noodle soup. It's really cold outside, like 20 degrees. And what better thing to have on a night that's super cold outside? This recipe is very simple. Anybody can do it, and there's probably variations of how it goes. What I'm using are 3 cups of flour. I'm using a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 can of beer, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I just have my bread pan that is already buttered and ready to go, and the oven is preheated at 375 degrees. Super easy. The bread is ready for the oven. I have it preheated to 375, so I'm just gonna pop it in, and it takes about 50 minutes, and it will be delicious. Maxwell, what do you think about beer bread? Does it sound good? Maybe? My timer just beeped for the beer bread, so I just took it out. You can see the nice golden look on top. It looks really good. I'm gonna test it with my knife just to see how it comes out. Clear. So I think we're good. That was 50 minutes. Beautiful. Beer bread, very good. Very soft and perfect. Maxwell, want to taste the beer bread? Maxwell approves.